Today I want to read Matthew 6 verse 25, 26, 27. Worry, but I wrote, don't worry. Verse 25. I tell you not to worry about your life. Don't worry about having something to eat, to drink, or to wear. Isn't life more than food or clothing? Look at the birds in the sky. They don't plant or harvest. They don't even store grain in barns. Yet your Father in heaven takes care of them. Aren't you worth more than birds? Can worry make you live longer? Why worry about clothes? Verse 29. Why do you have such little faith? And then I just want to read here verse 33. But more than anything else, put God's work first and do what He wants. Then the other things will be yours as well. I really hope that there's someone out there who really needed to hear this today. Have a blessed day.